Hey there, homeowners and cleaning enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're delving into the world of window cleaning robots as we explore the top 5 models of 2023. Window cleaning can be a tedious and time-consuming task, but with the advancement of technology, we now have window cleaning robots to make our lives easier. In this video, I'll be reviewing the best window cleaning robots on the market, helping you find the perfect tool to keep your windows sparkling clean effortlessly. From intelligent navigation systems to strong suction and safety features, these window cleaning robots offer a range of innovative functions to suit different window types and sizes. So sit back, relax, and let's discover the top 5 window cleaning robots of 2023. Don't forget to check the description below for links to all the featured products. And if you find this video helpful, please show your support by hitting that like button, subscribing to my channel, and turning on the notification bell so you never miss any of my future cleaning gadget reviews and recommendations. Let's find the perfect window cleaning robot to elevate your cleaning routine with the top 5 models of 2023. Starting at number 5, Aliexpress 140 Robot Window Cleaner. The Aliexpress 140 Robot Window Cleaner is a versatile and efficient tool designed to simplify window cleaning tasks. With its cord length of 4 meters, it offers sufficient reach for cleaning various window sizes. Powered by a motor with a power of less than 800 W and a voltage range of 100-240 V, the 140 delivers reliable and effective cleaning performance. The ABS material used in its construction ensures durability and longevity. With its water sprayer function, the 140 ensures thorough cleaning by moistening the surface and facilitating the removal of dirt and stains. This feature enhances the overall cleaning efficiency, leaving windows spotless. The square shape of the 140 allows for wider coverage and efficient cleaning of windows. Its compact design and lightweight construction make it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. For potential buyers in search of a window cleaning robot that combines efficiency and versatility, the Aliexpress 140 is a suitable choice. Its water sprayer function, square shape, and user-friendly design make it an excellent tool for maintaining sparkling clean windows. At number 4, PureRobo Wiz 8's Window Cleaning Robot. The PureRobo Wiz 8's Window Cleaning Robot is a versatile and high-performance tool designed to simplify the task of window cleaning. With its cord length of 6.7 meters, it provides extensive reach for cleaning windows in various locations. Powered by a motor with a power of less than 800 W and a voltage range of 220-240 V, the Wiz 8 delivers exceptional cleaning performance. The ABS material used in its construction ensures durability and longevity. Featuring a water tank capacity of 25 ml, the Wiz 8 offers a convenient water spraying function. This allows for the effective removal of stubborn stains and dirt, ensuring pristine windows. With its cleaning speed of 1 minute per square meter, the Wiz 8 efficiently cleans windows in a timely manner. It offers both in plus and in cleaning modes, allowing users to customize the cleaning process based on their preferences. The PureRobo Wiz 8 incorporates a suction power of 2400-2600 Pa, ensuring a strong grip on windows for thorough cleaning. Its noise level of less than 65 dB guarantees a quiet operation, minimizing disturbances. For potential buyers seeking a powerful and feature-rich window cleaning robot, the PureRobo Wiz 8 is an excellent choice. Its water spraying function, adjustable cleaning modes, and reliable performance make it a valuable tool for maintaining pristine windows. At number 3, AlphaBot X6 Window Cleaning Robot. The AlphaBot X6 Window Cleaning Robot is a reliable and efficient tool designed to simplify the task of window cleaning. With its cord length of 4 meters and corded power source, it offers convenient operation and reach. Powered by a motor with a power of less than 800 W and a voltage range of 100-240 V, the X6 provides sufficient power for effective window cleaning. The built-in 500 mAh lithium-ion battery ensures a runtime of 30 minutes, offering ample time to clean multiple windows. With its remote control, the X6 allows users to effortlessly navigate and control the robot's cleaning movements. It offers flexibility and convenience, ensuring precise cleaning even in hard-to-reach areas. The X6 features a suction power of 5,000 Pa, ensuring a strong grip on windows for effective cleaning. Its noise level of 65 dB ensures quiet operation, minimizing disturbances during cleaning sessions. The AlphaBot X6 offers a reliable and safe cleaning experience. Its power adapter input of 100-240 vac and safety rope length of 4 meters provide peace of mind during operation. For potential buyers in need of a dependable window cleaning robot, the AlphaBot X6 is a suitable choice. Its corded power source, remote control operation, and powerful suction capabilities make it an efficient tool for achieving spotless windows. At number 2, Aliexpress 10 Window Cleaning Robot. The Aliexpress 10 Window Cleaning Robot is a versatile and technologically advanced tool designed to provide efficient and hassle-free window cleaning. With its cord length of 4 meters, it offers ample reach for cleaning windows of different sizes. Powered by a motor with a power of less than 800 volts and a voltage range of 100-240 V, the HER10 delivers reliable cleaning performance. Its certification of C and RoHS ensures compliance with safety and quality standards. Featuring infrared remote control, the HER10 offers easy control and navigation. Users can conveniently operate the robot from a distance, adjusting its cleaning settings according to their needs. Equipped with the UPS/safety rope fall arrest control system, the HER10 provides added safety and protection. This feature prevents the robot from falling in case of power failure or detachment from the window. The Aliexpress HER10 boasts an ultra-thin body of only 68 millimeters, allowing it to reach narrow spaces and clean windows efficiently. Its battery capacity of 500 mAh lithium-ion battery ensures sufficient runtime for cleaning multiple windows. For potential buyers in search of a technologically advanced window cleaning robot, the Aliexpress HER10 is a suitable choice. Its user-friendly controls, safety features, and ultra-thin design make it an efficient tool for maintaining sparkling clean windows. At number 1, Aliexpress 361 Window Cleaning Robot. The Aliexpress 361 Window Cleaning Robot is a convenient and efficient tool designed to simplify the task of window cleaning. With its cord length of 5 meters, it provides flexibility and reach for cleaning various window sizes and heights. Powered by a motor with a power of less than 800 volts and a voltage range of 110-240 V, the 361 offers sufficient power to effectively clean windows. The mixing material used in its construction ensures durability and longevity. With its automated cleaning function, the Aliexpress 361 saves time and effort. It operates autonomously, navigating across windows and removing dirt and grime. Its efficient cleaning mechanism leaves windows sparkling and street-free. The 361 is suitable for both residential and commercial use, offering a practical solution for maintaining clean windows. Its easy-to-use design and corded power source make it accessible to a wide range of users. For potential buyers seeking a window cleaning robot that can handle various window sizes and heights, the Aliexpress 361 is a suitable choice. Its efficient cleaning performance and convenience make it a valuable tool for those looking to simplify their window cleaning tasks.